Good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? Welcome in, welcome in. Yeah, we're starting off a bit early today, guys. Nasdaq is moving so well. I woke up early this morning and I just looked at Nasdaq, and we are moving so cleanly on NQ right now. I don't want to miss out on a move. I have a big day ahead of me, so I thought, why not try get an early trade in, as there is so much volume. And yeah, so let's see what we're gonna get today. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Hope everyone's well. Zalo, good morning. Sorbet, who else is in there? Dinesh, Vicky, good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. Welcome in, yeah. Guys, today's Tuesday, man. Yesterday was a crazy day, guys. I wasn't supposed to trade New York session, but I did, guys. I took a trade on New York session yesterday. I made $10,000, man. It was insane. I'll break down the short. But yeah, guys, I shorted NQ yesterday at that New York Open, and I just fucking made so much money. And the thing is that it was the trade I was trying to catch in London, and it happened. So what I'm going to quickly do for the guys that are on now, let me quickly talk about it. Okay, yesterday I was bearish, right? As we all remember clearly. If you didn't see the stream, go back. You guys can hear me, right? Okay, cool. Just checking you can hear me. Basically, guys, yesterday's session, right? London session, I was saying to you guys that I wanted shorts. Okay. Now, why is my screen frozen again? Fuck this shit. Okay, guys, give me one moment, please. Just have to reset the screen quickly. One second. But yeah, I'm going to quickly break down the short that I took yesterday, so you guys can maybe learn a bit from it. Okay. Nope. So yeah, I'm on the daily chart right now, guys. You can see I've just zoomed up a bit because I'm going to go into some detail quickly, and then we're going to go down into analysis for today straight after. Okay, cool. Here we go. Sweet. Okay, so guys, yep, let's go. Yesterday I marked off the daily high, previous day high. Okay, I marked off Friday's highs yesterday, okay, which is this candle over here. We were below that EMA. We were very bearish as well. I said I potentially want to see price take out Friday's high and then look to sell. It literally did that, guys. It was a crazy fucking trade. I won't even lie. Like, look how price came for that Friday high. We got just above it. Okay, we can see here. Bailey, come. No. We can see here we got above it when we aggressively snapped back below. Okay, that EMA. Price consolidated. I waited for closure back below that EMA. So after the price consolidated, this 15-minute candle that closed below EMA, that was my entry. This was my entry yesterday, guys. It was crazy. I caught a 1 to 6 risk to reward of that, and I was targeting the gap below. I was targeting that gap below. That was the trade. Crazy fucking trade, and it's very rare, you know, we get moves like this on a New York Open. So that was really cool. I'm very grateful for that move yesterday. It happened so quickly, guys. I was literally on the move. As you guys know, I'm moving around right now. I was on the move, executed this thing as quick as possible, and it just dumped on me. But yeah. Anyways, let's go back to the daily time frame quick, and let's break down again. Okay. All right. So daily time frame, guys. I am still extremely bearish, man. I'm very bearish right now, guys. I'm very bearish. Why do you want to sell this market right now? I don't know why. If you're wanting to try catch the bottom because of FOMO, man, you have a lot to learn. Trying to buy this market right now is extremely risky, as we're so bearish breaking lower. I've got a feeling we're gonna come down to the 27,500. Okay, that's my target, the 27,500, which is over here, as you guys can see. Okay, 27,500. Looking now at the daily, we're still heavily below that EMA. We might have a very slight pullback, but guys, I'm bearish, right? I don't want to look for buys. I want to look for shorts. Okay, but yes, a slight pullback can maybe be possible, but I don't know how long that pullback's going to go for. But it won't be forever. It'll just be a pullback to continuation lower. This is my thought. Okay, it's just my thoughts. It's just my thoughts. So getting back into it, let's look at yesterday's daily candle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mark off yesterday's low, because if we stay below yesterday's low, I'm going to keep shorting, which we broke below it right now. So I'm going to mark off previous day low. Okay, let's mark off that previous day low. Let's label it so we know what's going on. Previous DL, which is previous day low, and then let's move this to the right. Okay, sweet. Okay, so yeah, as we can see, we're below that previous day low currently on the daily. Let's go into a lower time frame and see what's happening there. 4 hourly, yep, we can see breaking through that previous day low quite nicely. Bearish on the 4 hourly. 1 hourly, any levels to mark off? Well, let me just adjust this a bit, guys. Levels, yes, we do actually. We do have some levels. This for me was a good level, but look what happened, guys. I'm going to mark it as a white level so we can see that this is a key level, right? Look how price broke through this key level to the left, came up to it, retested by that EMA, and we dropped. That was a beautiful trade. I didn't take that though. I was sleeping, guys. I woke up literally 5 minutes ago. But that was a beautiful trade, guys, off this key level. Now key level's lower. If I zoom to the left, let me see if we are to keep shorting. Where can we short into? What the fuck? Okay, here we go. Ooh. Ah, what? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna say this 27,950 area would probably be my first area I would look to short in. Oh no, hold on a second, I'm doing shit, guys. Excuse me. Sorry, guys. Sorry, I'm doing shit. We need to go lower. Okay, let's start off there. Yeah, the 27,850 area would be first target, I would say, to look going into, and then if we break through that, 27,700. 27,700 is actually a very, very good target, I won't lie. I mean, yeah, look at this. It's actually a very good stretch lower. Okay. Cool. So yeah, those are my levels that I'm going to look to sell into potentially if we get that set up, right? If we get that set up. Why has that? Okay. 50 minutes. Bailey, go to your bed. Stop now. Sorry, my dog is fucking crazy today. Sorry guys, my dog is absolutely fucking ballistic. So yeah, let's see guys. I'm bearish, man. I'll look at the chat now. I'm gonna look for shorts, man. So I'm gonna go the 5 minute because it could be very aggressive. I'm playing aggressive. I'm playing aggressive. I'm playing aggressive today, guys. Anyways, let's get to the chat and see what's going on there. Good morning, Dan. Good morning. Good morning. Yep, my entry was after that closure. Correct. But I'm gonna look to enter for. I'm gonna look to, guys. I'm so sorry. There's so much going on right now. Yes. I'm gonna look to enter a short though, for sure, coming off this MA. Yo, look at this reaction of this EMA, guys, man. Then the next one is, why the screen froze again, chat? Yeah, look at this reaction coming off this EMA, guys. It's tempting for me. It is tempting for me right now. I might take it, guys. I might take it. Okay, it's just closed. It's just closed. You guys, I might take a chat. I might take this 15 micros in the short. Catch like a 1 to 2, I'll be happy. Alright guys, I've gone short on NQ. I'm just, it's a risk I'm willing to take right now. Let's see guys. My stop is going to go... As we can see, sitting at the 20s. That's actually a very good risk to reward, man. A 1 to 3 basically. With $800 risk. I'm so happy with that one, to be fair. I'm really happy with that one. So yeah guys, this is my thoughts, man, on this trade. Like, I've explained it all. I'm not going to go over it again. So if you are going to copy my trades, take this at your own risk, please. I can be wrong, as you guys know. I'm just a trader following my plan that has a probability of losing. But I'm bearish. We're sitting beneath that previous day low. I want to see continuation lower, and this is a pre-London trade as well, guys. So because there's so much volume right now pushing price lower, I thought why not try capitalize on it. But yeah, so far so good, it seems. Straight into profit. There was no drawdown on that. Let's hope we stay. Oh, Frankie, nice to meet you, bro. First timer, welcome in, bro. Welcome into the daily show, bro. And I'm good. Very, very good. Next candle down bearish, entered that short. Nice, guys. Who took the short, guys? Is anybody else in the short with me? This is a very clean setup, guys. Price literally wicked that EMA and had an aggressive... Damn, guys. Check this fucking short go, bro. Wow. We're almost at a 1-to... Guys, we're at a 1-to-1 now. Guys, this is when you start managing your trade. Okay, I'm going to close off, guys. Okay, I'm gonna take some profit at least on this, guys. Actually, no, wait, just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. I don't want to rush into it. I think I'm gonna, when I hit a 1-to-2, guys, I'm gonna close off half my position. Yeah, when I hit a 1-to-2. A 1-to-2 is sitting, yeah, a little bit more lower, guys, and I'll close my profits. Half my profit. Guys, W trade though, like literally. This is why I came on early, for this reason. This is literally, I saw price trying to break beneath previous day low, and I was like, this thing can't keep dropping. So I'm really happy I managed to jump in on here. Guys, I did receive a $5,000 payout yesterday, and I literally, straight after, I took a huge trade and I made $10,000. My account is back up 10K. I'm so satisfied with that, to be honest, man. Okay, guys, the new hourly is going to open up right now. What I'm going to do, guys, the new hourly could wick up. So what I'm going to do, just in case, I'm going to close off 5 micros. All right. I've secured $200 basically. Now this is me just managing my risk, right? I don't need to be greedy. I just need to pay for my holiday right now. And this is a funded account, so it is all withdrawable, right? So $200, okay, cool. I've just closed that off right now. I've got 10 micros running. I'm gonna let these 10 micros keep running, okay? Although I am tempted to maybe move break even depending on this next 5-minute candle. Nah, it's okay, it's cool. It wicked up first. It should be alright. Yeah, let's see. If we can break the previous 5-minute low, guys, I'll go break even. But we need to break this 5-minute low over here where I'm pointing my arrow. We need to break that. STK 2360, yeah, bro, that's exactly what I said about 5 minutes ago, brother. If we wick up the work, like if we do come up to my stop loss, we most likely will come for that previous day low retest. But that's why I closed off some of my position, because I'm taking some risk off the table. Lot size entry, panel profit target. Vicky trader scalping. I don't know what you're talking about, brother. I'm sorry, bro. I don't know what you're talking about, dude. Okay, well, yeah, there you go. That 5 minute is like creating a very nice big fucking top. Guys, this might be a very beautiful trade, man. This might be the trade of the day. Why is my screen keep freezing? Sorry guys, it's frozen again, man. I think I know why it's doing it actually. Okay, I know why. Fuck guys, I'm floating your... No, this is a very, very, very good trade guys. Sorry, I'm just trying to reset the screen again. Okay, there we go. Okay, now my profit needs to be reset. Guys, just give me a minute. Sorry. This is so frustrating. I don't know why. Fuck you, man. What is it doing? Sorry, I'm having a complete glitch out right now because of the internet. It's so frustrating. Okay guys, I don't know why my P&L is not showing. Like, I don't know why it's... I don't understand. This is actually getting very frustrating right now. Whatever, to be fair, I don't give a fuck. Okay guys, you don't need to see my P&L. You can see that I'm literally in a trade right now. Look to the left. That should be okay for you guys. I think you can see my profits running on the left, right? Yeah. Crazy trade. Damn it, man. I'm so okay. I'm going break even on this now, guys. I am going break even on this trade. Sure, guys, we're almost at final take profit, man. We're almost there. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to close off 5 contracts. I'm closing off 5 more.
Order filled.
Okay, I've locked in $600 now, and I have $400 running, yeah? $600 locked in for the day. I'm so happy with that. We're at a break even. We're risk free. I'm going to see how much... I'm going to just let this one run now, guys. If we break this level below, I'll keep holding. The account balance is currently sitting at $10,500, man. So happy with that. I'm so happy with that. You always come back, guys. As you all know, I've been on a weird streak recently as I've been traveling, and I've just been kind of pushing through it and understanding and accepting this is just part of it. And it's paying off, man. It's paying off. It's all paying off. I knew I was going to come out of it again. I think this is an exceptionally managed position. Troy, I appreciate you, bro. Yeah, like I'm very, very... Right now, I'm very focused on managing risk. Now, a lot of you guys are like, Cam, why do you trade micros and not minis? Because, guys, with micros, it's so much easier to manage your position. Like, if you go in with 1 or 2 minis, you can't close off pieces of that fucking pizza, right? Like you have to fucking close the whole position. So what people right? I say to guys, like, if you're going to try hold your full position to like a 1 to 5 risk to reward, the chances of you winning that trade are very slim, because the majority of the time price is going to come back, hit your break even or hit your stop loss, right? That's what happens a lot of the time. If you start taking your profits a lot earlier, you'll become profitable a lot quicker. I promise you. So what I do is I'll enter a trade with 15 to 20 micros, and then I'll usually, not all the time, as some of the guys on stream can tell you, I don't do it all the time. Sometimes I will, you know, close off the full position, but like today I've closed off 5 micros, and I've got 5 running. So I'm taking pieces off as I'm running, creating my P&L for the day, and then yeah, I'm just managing it that way, because I feel like the way that, like, that's the way it needs to be done. And when I trade like that, it actually, I stay profitable, consistent, you know. So Sorbet, nice bro. Just yeah dude, $400. Yeah, that's very good bro. Just manage that, okay? Manage that bro. It's obviously your account, your risk, your rules, but manage that trade, bro. Guys, I don't know why you can't see my P&L, why it's not coming up. It's so annoying, but I want, yeah, fuck, this has been managed really well, guys. Oh, there we go, guys. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna start trailing my stop loss now. Let's lock in another 6, 7, 8. I'm locking in another $200, $250. Okay, I've locked in $250 right now, which means that if price hits that, I'll be closing out the day at $1,000. Yeah, let's see. Either take this 250 or we are going to go for full TP. I've put it above the previous 5-minute high. I don't want to see price break back above. Maybe if I make my face a bit smaller, you guys can see better. Maybe, just maybe. Maybe like that. Yo, running another $500, guys. That's crazy. Beautiful trade. Account is sitting at, yeah, about $11,000 now. Vicky, congrats, bro. Congrats. Very nice, very nice. I'll be retarded not to do this, guys. I'm going to close off like another 3. Call me stupid, but I'm going to close off another 3.
Order fill.
There you go, guys. I've closed off another 3 micros. I'm letting these 2 just run now. Beautiful trade, man. Beautiful, beautiful trade. I've locked in $1,000 for the day on the funded account. Super happy with that. Very, very happy with that, guys. So either I'm going to take this last 100, or price is just going to come for my TP, which is going to be 270. EMA, guys. EMA trading, man. Sarvesh, congrats, guys. Manage your risk, guys. If you're in this trade, if you've copied my trades, get out. Manage your risk, man. Manage it, manage it. This is my last week, guys, of trading London session. Next week I'm gonna go next week I'm trading New York session live, guys. I am. Now the reason I'm trading New York session next week, guys, is because I will be, for the new people that are watching that haven't heard this, but I will be in Ibiza, and I will be not able to trade London session, guys. I'm sorry, I can't do that, guys. I'll be vomiting on stream. But seriously, I can't. So I will be trading only New York session next week. You know what, guys? I'm so tempted just to take this trade. Just close off. Yeah, alright.
Order fill.
That's me, I'm out. I've closed a full position. It's alright. I'm just taking it all. $1,100 locked in for the day. W trade, guys. For the guys that took this trade, hit the like button right now. Come on. I at least deserve that from taking it. Executing. Okay. Analyzing. Executing and managing a very good trade on stream. And you know what's so crazy, guys? Maybe there's another trade. I don't even know, like, because London Open hasn't even hit yet. I'm like, do I go for another one? I think, to be fair, guys, I think we're going to keep going lower. Like, we're going to keep going lower. I need to try fix this OBS. I don't know why it's not showing, man. I don't know. I need to figure it out. Anyways, guys. Yeah, let's wait now and see. I just want to tell you guys, someone mentioned something about psychology right now in the chat. Guys, listen, you obviously saw how I executed this trade and how I managed it, right? Like, this is how trading needs to be done. And it's just the truth behind it. Like, if you guys are going to be taking trades and trying to hold them for huge risk to rewards, over risking, it's going to hold you back, okay? You might get lucky on some of them, right? Trust me. But just because you got lucky on a few does not mean it's going to happen every time. You need to be honest with your system, and you need to play the game safe. You need to play it safe. This is what trading is about, right? You need to play it safe, okay? It's how you're going to stay and become profitable. You have to play the safe game, okay? Sometimes, yes, we can take some risk, but guys, 80% of the time, play it safe and maybe take risk 20. Like, you need to find that balance, because it's the way I traded today. There's no reason for you guys not to know how to, trade properly. Like, that's how you trade properly. Like, and everyone's got their own opinions of how to trade properly, but that's my that's how I trade properly, right? For me, trading properly is by managing the money of the account. It's about taking my money when I see money, because I know it can get taken away in a second, like in trading. So if I know that, let me play it safe and take it. But you guys need to obviously do what you feels right for you. But if you're struggling with psychology and you're struggling with all of that shit, because it is the worst. Psychology and all of that stuff is the shittiest part about trading. The fun part's technical analysis, right? That's the fun part. The shitty part is psychology. That's why that's why traders don't really focus on the psychology side of things. A lot of the time, what happens is when you'll have a great winning streak, okay? And this is the most common thing in trading. You'll have a fantastic winning streak. You'll be winning, payout, passing accounts. Doesn't matter. You'll be winning. And then what happens? All of a sudden, things don't go your way and you start going on a losing streak. And that losing streak starts affecting you, not realizing it affects you. And then every trade you take after that, it affects you emotionally, and it'll just keep going down and down and down. That's what happened to me recently. I was on a phenomenal winning streak, and yeah, I just went on and as I started traveling, trading wasn't really going my way in my favor, and it affected me a bit, and it just got worse and worse until I acknowledged it, I realized it, and I fixed it. This last week and a half has been great with trading, because a week and a half ago I spoke about what needs to be fixed, and I've been working on it, and since then my trading's been going up again, which is fantastic. So at least that's how I'm aware of my emotions, that's how I'm controlling them, and you guys need to do the same. Always be aware of what you're feeling, always be aware of what you're doing, and be honest with yourself in the situations and follow what you need to do. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, because this game is fucking not going to get you rich quick. It's going to take everything away from you before you even start making good money. And all those profitable traders out there that are successful, they can tell you the same thing. Like, yeah, the price action wasn't great this last 2 weeks. But it's not an excuse. That's the thing, guys. We need to stop blaming price action. Let me ask you this question. If the price action hasn't been good these last 2 weeks, why the fuck are you trading? Genuine question. Do you see? So don't blame the price action. Yes, it hasn't been the greatest, don't get me wrong, but I also majority blame myself for trading that shitty price action. Why was I doing that? Why was I risking my money every time when I knew price action wasn't great? But why? Because we were in that huge daily range. Now we finally are moving again quite nicely. We're breaking out of these daily ranges. So that's really nice, right? But we were all deciding to trade that in that really horrible daily range. We can't blame price action for that, right? We must stop blaming other things for our actions in trading. We're responsible. We're accountable for what we're doing behind the chart, okay? And the minute you accept that and you realize that, I promise you, you're going to take one big step forward into your trading. Like really, man. Vicky Trader Scalping, brother. I really appreciate you, bro, being on stream. I'm struggling to understand your messages, bro. Like I don't know what you're talking about here, dude. No, I don't think. Maybe you're not. Is it because you don't speak English? What country are you from, Vicky? Maybe you're not fluent in English, bro, which is okay. What country are you from, bro? Okay, now the guys, look again. This can just be a rinse and repeat. Look how we've come up into this EMA, massive wick rejection, like it happened before. This can be a rinse and repeat right now, guys, yeah? Okay, I'm gonna trade it. One more trade, yeah? I'm gonna trade this EMA entry now. Watch. Nah, I'm gonna trade this, guys. I'm gonna take a quick little 1-to-1 or 1-to-2. I'm only gonna go in with 5 micros though. If I get the entry, obviously. That's another thing, guys. Like, stop trying to get the most sniper. Oh, see, shit. This is why I'm waiting. Stop trying to get the most sniper entries in your trading. Yeah, like stop doing that. Just I see so many guys that'll tell me, oh, I entered off the 2 minute, the 1 minute. Well, I don't even know why people like I do the 2 minutes sometimes in a New York session, right? Just because I'm very confident in my strategy, but. If you're trying to, become consistent and you're trying to, be more careful of your trading, stop trading the 2 minute time frame and the 1 minute time frame. Like, it's fucking risky. Like, we all know it. Trading that time frame is extremely, extremely risky, guys. Like, until you're able to, afford to, put risk on the table, then do it if you want. But until then, like, stop trading these lower time frames. Just stick on the high time frames. Wait for these high time frame candle closures. Majority of the time, guys, I don't go lower than the 5 minute. The 5 minutes usually the lowest time frame I go. Yo, Vicky Trader, I don't know what you're talking about, bro. Congrats. Sorbet, check the 15 minute, bro. Let me check. Ooh, yeah. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to fix this situation. Maybe if I, oh, I got an idea. Maybe if I let me try add a new screen capture on here to try get my balance. Yeah, it's not working. I need to figure that out. Just what I said, look how price is trying to now get maybe up to the previous day low as a retest maybe. Dinesh, if this engulfing candle closes above the EMA, it looks like a long entry. So for me, no. Yes, it can be an entry long. You are right based off the EMA strategy entry criteria. You are right about that part. But my bias is bearish. If my bias was bullish and I had that closure above, then it would be a buy for me. But because my bias isn't bullish, yeah, I won't touch it. Remember, if your daily bias, exactly, Salvesh, bias is important because bias is telling you where price is potentially going. So if you have a bearish bias, why would you want to now buy on a 5-minute time frame? That's the mistake a lot of people make. If your bias is bearish, you only look for sell EMA entries. So if I get an engulfing 5-minute closure back below, I will sell. Yep, exactly. But trust me, always follow your bias first. Entry comes after your bias every time. Entry always comes after your bias, yeah? Yeah, I'm just look for shorts, and unless the bias changes, I mean, we see. Thanks, Kamatsavish from Poland. I'm not from Poland, bro. I don't know who told you that. I'm not. No, dude. I'm from South Africa, but I live in France. Lot size entry. I don't trade with lots. Okay. Okay, guys, we need to be honest about something. How good was my exit on that trade, right? How good was that exit? Like, that's where we entered, and that's where we exited. How good was that, man? I just realized that right now. Made $1,000. No, that was a very good entry to exit trade, man. Very, very good. And there was zero drawdown on that trade. Beautiful little trade. Beautiful. But price, I don't know. Price can rally a bit higher though, for sure. I mean, can't say just yet. Cam, is there any place where you teach your system and technique? Yes, there is. It's in my Discord free community. All the information's there, but it's not for free. That's all I'm saying. Like, it's not for free. I don't teach it for free. I made a whole strategy course about it. That's there, but it's not for free. And I'm not going to be promoting that on here right now and talking about it. But yeah, if you guys really want to learn the strategy, like into depth, and understand what I'm doing on stream, it's all there for you. But if you watch the streams every single day, you will learn everything. I promise you. You'll pick up everything, because everything I do on stream is what I teach or what I've taught. Like, it's all there. I mean, there's nothing that I'm not doing on stream, you know. So you need to watch every single day. You need to watch every single day, and I promise you right now, you'll learn so much off the stream. You don't even need to. I'll be honest, Bella Ciao, what your name is. I won't even send you my link, bro. I don't want to sell you anything, dude. I want you to show up every day on stream, because that way you're going to learn so much more. I promise you. I'm not even going to send you the link to anybody. I won't. I don't want to sell anything to anybody. Come on the stream, it's for free. You'll learn here. I don't care. Like, I really don't want to sell you guys the course anymore. I'm not doing that. If you find the link to it, well done, but I'm not going to be sending the link to anybody for it. Just, I would rather you guys watch the stream and you guys be here with me every day, because you're going to learn so much more this way. I promise you right now, you'll learn so much more. Hi Cam, man, you scared the crap out of me. Why? Oh shit. Yeah, I mean, Sorbet, yeah, I mean, I think every day before stream I do breakdowns. So like Bella Ciao, what's your name? I don't know. Go watch my previous streams, bro. In the beginning of every stream I do a breakdown, and before, you know, taking a trade. Just by doing those breakdowns and seeing me execute, you will understand so much. But it is very simple, very straightforward. But basically what I do is I will find my daily bias, and then I go to a lower time frame like the 15 or the 5 minutes, and I will then trade EMA, so into that daily bias. So if I'm bearish, I will wait for price to come into an EMA, right, close back below, and then I will enter at the break of that candle low, right, as my confirmation to short it. Bro, got funded for the 3rd time. Hopefully this is a charm for a payout. Don't think about the payout. I promise you. Like, just trade the fucking account. The payout, you'll get that update on your dashboard soon saying you can get your payout. Just don't even worry about the payout. Just trade. Just trade. The payout will come. But the minute you start focusing on payout, that's the minute things become a bit tricky, you know. I'm gonna stay with you guys until this London Open and see what London Open does. Yeah, London Open's coming soon. We're gonna see what London Open does, and then I'll make the decision whether I'm gonna keep trading it or not. But I want to wait for that London Open. I traded a lot loosely today. Yeah, I just trade loose, man. Like, stop overthinking. Just press buy and sell when you see a setup and don't think of anything. Like, just think of managing your risk. I promise you. You need to become obsessed, guys, with managing risk. Like, becoming obsessed with risk management. I promise you. Just become fucking obsessed with your risk management. Become obsessed with your risk management. Guys, I'm going to give away one account, guys. So in the chat, put your hands up. Who wants a giveaway of 150k account right now? I'm going to give away 150k account right now. Yesterday, there was only one winner, but I still have one more to give away. If you want to win a 50k account right now, because I have two to give away. I gave one away yesterday. Okay, so I need to do one more today. So if you would like to win an account, tell me. I'll tell you how to enter these accounts, how to enter it now. Okay, we have a lot of people. Dan. Okay, so guys, if you would like to win one of these 50k accounts, okay, this is how to do it. Are you ready? It's the same rules as yesterday, guys. You need to go right now, and the first person to purchase a Funder Pro Futures account using my code CAM, I will send you a free account. So the first person, go now, go sign up right now, it doesn't matter. The first person to buy a Funder Pro Futures account, you need to use my code CAM, because I can see who's doing it, right? On my dashboard, I can see who's making purchases. The first person to purchase using my code CAM will receive a free 50k account. Go right now, man, go right now. And once you've done it, you need to tell me. I'm going to check who was the first person to do it. I'm looking at the clock right now. You need to go right now. Okay, I need to get my phone to check, okay? But guys, go right now. The first person. Remember, the dashboard on my affiliate takes about 5 minutes to load. And don't tell me you've done it and you haven't, because I'm going to look right now. Give me one moment. Okay. We're coming up to the previous day, the previous daily low, by the way. Okay, let me go look now, guys. Let's see if who won. Did someone do it yet? Yep, no one's done it yet, guys. Not that I've seen. It's still loading. So if you want to win a free 50k account, it's still open to someone that wants to do it. We had a winner yesterday. We just need a winner today. If you guys don't have an account, guys, just scan the barcode at the top of the screen, on the stream. Scan it with your phone, whatever. You can sign up, get yourself a Funded Futures account, man. But I'm still waiting to see who the winner is. I'm still waiting to see who the winner is. I have not yet seen anything. It's still loading. She's hungry. Zalo FX. Zalo, what's your... Zalo, what's your name, bro? There doesn't say anything of Zalo FX here, dude. What's your name, dude? Okay, yeah, alright. Zalo, John Danut, whatever your name. John Danut? Danut? Yeah, okay, that's the winner, guys. We have a winner. I've just seen right now. He made a purchase using the code. Okay, cool. So what? Congrats, brother. You need to please send me your email on... I think you're in my community, right? Are you in my free Discord community, bro? Do you have my Discord? Hi Cam, is this the one phase challenge? Well, I'm not doing a challenge, guys. This is a fun... I'm on a funded account, guys. I'm trading funded. I'm trading a funded account, guys. I'm trading on the funded account. Okay, Zalo, please can you just message me your email address on Discord privately, yeah? I will send it through, and you guys should receive your accounts either sometime this week. Okay, 10 minutes for that London Open, guys. 10 minutes. My disc. Okay guys, let's see. We came up to the previous day low, we tapped it, and now we've pulled back into EMA. What's the 15th telling me? The 15 minutes is trying to hold beneath the 15-minute EMA. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna try look for shorts at this London Open. I'm gonna try look to see if we can get it, if I can take a short again. You know, Daniel, I completely agree with what the fuck you just said, bro. I completely agree with what you've just said right now, dude. Yes, you got me laughing on the inside, dude, when I read that. Yeah, I'm gonna just mute this guy, guys. I don't know what the fuck he's talking about. Okay, he's gone. Yeah, it's quite annoying though, I won't lie. I just, you know what, guys? I don't want to like ban someone from the chat if they're not, you know, being dicks, which he's not being one. It's just that he is spamming the most irrelevant, weirdest stuff I've ever seen on a stream. Like, I'm so confused. I keep reading it, I'm like, what the hell? What drug is this guy on? No, I'm joking though. But seriously, just don't spam the chat, guys, please. Just don't spam the chat. Like, we don't need to spam. Let's use the chat for real questions. Let's use it for some, you know, real shit, not weird stuff, man. I use EMA 9. It's the only EMA I use, guys. Listen, I'm not a big indicator fan, but it's the only thing I use. Okay, it just is very accurate. The EMA 9. It's for me. It's the most accurate EMA. Because it's really great for intraday scalping, and that's what I do. If you want to do swing trading, it's not really great unless you use the high time frame for it, probably. But something's wrong, huh? With this one. She's keep crying. Don't understand. She wants to go out, maybe. I don't know. Maybe take her out the front. No, the front door. I don't know. Out there. Okay, guys. Soon that London Open's gonna hit. I can maybe one small 1 to 2 hour long entry, I guess. If you want, bro. If you want to, then go for it. Me, no. Just calm down. Just stay calm. Stay calm. Okay? There's no need to rush into a trade. Just stay calm. Because price action is really good right now. There's going to be so many opportunities today. I think there's going to be a lot of opportunities, like, actually. It's just about picking the best one. So instead of rushing into this little long that you're asking me about, which is okay, you can ask me for sure, but I'm just giving you my opinion. Right? Let's wait, because London Open is going to come in 5 minutes and we know how volatile it can get. So let's just wait. Let's just be patient 5 more minutes. Okay? Because price can do this. You want to go long, price can go like this, and then the next thing, it will vunk back under. You know what I mean? So let's just wait to see what happens. If you want to take this long 1 to 2 risk reward, you can. I'm not saying it's going to be wrong. If you want to take this long right now, 1 to 2 RR into the previous day low, then go for it. I personally will not do that. It just doesn't make sense to me, because like I said for the 100th time, guys, I'm bearish. I'm bearish right now. I will not buy a selling market. But it's okay, like, it's okay, bro. I like taking a short off the previous day low zone. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. You know, I know price can short. For the guys that are trying to buy this, that's okay. Like, you can still win. Like, you know, I'm not saying I can be wrong too. I can also be wrong. Okay, Cam, let's wait for the better opportunity. Thanks for the opinion. No, you're welcome, bro. Like, if you guys, it's just my opinion. It's just my thoughts. Like, that's all, right? It's just my thoughts. Hi, Cam. How to trade a New York Open? 5 or 5? Oh, please don't. You know what? Don't come and spam that now. Yeah, I don't trade that system. Okay, so don't ask. Okay, price is bouncing at that previous day low, breaking through it. Okay guys, 3 more minutes, man. 3 more minutes. Maybe push up before drop. Yeah, maybe. This is why I don't want to do anything, because price can maybe push up before drop. Remember what I said. We have this key level sitting up here, right? This white line you guys can see, that's a key level that price can come up into. Do you know what I mean? So I'm aware if we stay above this previous day low, we can maybe come higher. If there are guys in these longs right now, that's cool, man. That's great. I hope that it works out for you. I will only take a long, guys, if price wicks down into this previous day low and then we flip bullish again. Okay, so if this what happens, okay, if this next 15-minute candle at New York Open sells and then we flip bullish and start breaking above these highs again, I will then consider taking a long, okay, up into this level. Right? Yes, I'm bearish, but I'm also very big on follow what the market is doing, not what I think. I would like to see price start breaking back lower, but if I don't get that, price wicks down first, okay, and then that 15-minute candle flips green and starts pushing higher, I'll look for a long. Because I understand, right, that being back above the previous day low, being back above the 15-minute EMA, we can rally a bit higher. So let's see what we get. For that guy that did take this buy right now, you should have won your trade, bro. Very nice. But I need to see a wick down to go higher. I mean, look at the 30-minute. Okay, the 30 minute as well. Guys, the 30 minute is not even above that EMA. That 30 minute is literally retesting the 30 minute EMA as we're talking. So, yeah. It will be interesting to see what happens here though, if I'm going to be honest. I'm going to stay on the 15 minute for now. Let's stay on that 15 minute. Okay, London opens about to hit, guys, in any second. So guys, if you are going to trade this London Open, take it easy, take it slow. Just focus on your risk, yeah? Risk management before anything. Okay, there's a London Open, guys. I'm going to mark off that London opening print. This is where so guys, basically right now, as you all know, this is where London opened, so I'm marking that level off. And now we're pushing higher. I like the push higher, to be honest. That push higher is nice because, which means if we get back lower, very slow London opener. Very slow London Open. It's probably because price is so exhausted right now that both of them. Damn, guys, what a shitty London Open, bro. We are holding above this London. We are holding above the opening print. We are holding above previous day low. Maybe price might want to go higher if we can't get back. If we break higher. Guys, I might squeeze along, I won't lie. Price is confirming that it is holding. I might squeeze a short long quick. Hold on, guys. We're above the EMA. I'm thinking. I'm just waiting a bit more. If we can break above the high we just put in right now, I'll take a buy. If we start closing back below EMA, breaking below the opening print, breaking below the daily previous day low, I'll go back to short. But maybe scalping a buy like a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 can be something. Now I've already taken a big win today, as we all saw. I'm up $1,000. So if I do take another trade, I'm not going to go in heavy, guys. I'm going to go in like maybe 5 micros. Like, I don't need more money. I'm just wanting to, you know, see if there's opportunity, you know, just to, it's not even, this next trade for me is not even going to be about money, guys. It's more about, you know, finding a good setup for me personally. Like, so I'm going to just use very low risk and see if we can get a cool London open trade. Okay, price is getting back under that opening print. It's trying into that EMA. Well, all I'm going to say, guys, above this purple yellow line, buys. Below this purple yellow line, sells. This is my thoughts. This is my thoughts. Okay, that 5 minute.
Order filled.
All right, I'm taking a short, guys, off that 5 minute. I'm quickly jump to the 2. Very aggressive short, guys. There's a 2 minute inside bar right over here that broke that low, and then we got back under that opening print, which is making me feel that this can be a potential short. But I don't know, man. We are holding quite heavily above the previous day low, so this is a very high risk entry. Please just understand, if you're going to copy my trade, take this at your own risk. I'm using very tiny risk on this though, guys. It's only $300. It's nothing compared to the size of this account. So I am yeah, it's just a small risk I'm willing to take. Like, as you guys, majority of you know, my inside bar system. We had that 2 minute inside bar trigger below the opening print. Let's see, guys. Let's see what Cam can do here, if I can cook or not. So yeah, take this at your own risk, man. Take this at your own risk. And if price, and obviously I still do want to target this level down here that we almost hit. I mean, if price does come down to my TP, that's another $1,000 trade. So that's very cool. But I don't know. It's a weird one. Price is in a very weird spot right now. That's why I'm using this low risk. Alex, nope, that's not a bad habit at all, bro. That's really not a bad habit at all. If you guys want to cut your losses early, do that, because I do that sometimes, okay, as you've seen on stream. But yeah, it's depending on your risk management. If you're really not wanting to be in that trade anymore, then get yourself out. Like, I might do that right now, I won't lie. Talking of that right now, I'm going to wait to see a bit, but the fact we bouncing off this EMA,
Order filled.
yeah, I'm getting out of that. You see, I just did that right now. I don't know, I might need to take a long, I won't lie. It might have to be a long for me. Look how we're holding above. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna take a long.
Order filled.
Fuck. Yeah, 300. So it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. I'm very happy. I'm just using some of the profits I've made for these trades, but I'm taking it long, guys. Price is really, like, I did try short there. as price broke below, but we immediately snapped back above, guys, holding that EMA, holding the opening print, holding the daily low. Everything is being held in this area right now. I'd be stupid not to take that. Remember what I said, buys above, sells below. But this is going to be my one and final trade though. Okay guys, I need to run off stream. I have some things I need to do this morning. I'm gonna just keep this trade in. I'm gonna hold this, guys, I'll be honest. I think what I'm gonna do, I don't really care too much. I'm just gonna take profits like at like a 1-to-1. Okay, I'm just gonna take a 1-to-1 on this trade, guys. Now the reason I'm just doing that is I wanna go enjoy my day, guys. I don't want to sit here anymore, to be honest. Fuck that. That's my trade. I'm just gonna take a quick 1-to-1. Let's see if I get it, but I got shit to do, guys. I want to go out. I want to explore the city. I want to spend time with my fiance. So maybe a quick little $300, man. Come on, come on, come on. It'll pay for my lunch and dinner today. There we go. Fuck it. I'm gonna go break even, guys. I'm going break even. You know what? I don't even know if I want to be in there. Price will probably hit take profit, but I don't. Just hurry up. I want to go. I want to go. I want to have a shower. I haven't even eaten breakfast, man. You know what? Screw it.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm getting out of that. Whatever. I closed that off at a little bit of profit, but whatever. Okay, guys. Well, thank you for being here. I love you all so much, guys. Oh, there it wants to maybe fucking go now. Thank you so much for being here, everybody. I appreciate every single one of you guys. It has been a great trading day. And yeah, I will be trading, guys, tomorrow morning the same time. Okay, so subscribe, turn your notifications on if you don't want to miss it. And yeah, we're showing up every day, following the same system, following the same risk management. Okay, stop overthinking trading, keep the shit simple. So with that being said, thank you so much, everybody, for being here. I love you all so much. Peace.